Hello again, it's Pond and Garden, June 2022. With this video, a short video, I'm going to show you just a little bit of the fish, the koi, and then I'll give you a tantalising glimpse of what I've done to the Japanese tea house. Before we get to that though, I would like to ask you to subscribe and of course like or dislike if that's what you wish. Prefer all the likes, and I most definitely would like more subscribers. It does help the channel, it keeps me motivated the more subscribers I get. So if you haven't done so already, please do so. The fish are healthy. The Kajaku just in the middle there, I'll try and zoom in onto him. He's doing quite well, he's eating very well and his colours are quite bright. The shower, just there you can see him, he's got the sumi on his head. He was yellow when I picked him up. When I say yellow I mean his whites had a touch of yellow, so I'm feeding him JPD, Shogun and Shori, and hopefully that'll brighten his whites up just a little bit. Other than that, the garden's looking okay. Most of these spring flowers have died back. One or two azaleas still there. But yeah, I'm pleased with the garden. Certainly pleased with the fish. They are very lively and eating well. The pond's just a little bit murky. I put some sludge buster in there and that's dulled the pond just a little bit. It's normally crystal clear. Bear in mind, I've got two UVs on the system. I've got a submerged amalgam 40 watt on the vortex side and a 30 watt UV on the outlet side of the biological filter. And that normally keeps it quite clear. I've had to unblock the aerator a few weeks ago. That was the algae build-up, but that's working pretty well at the minute. But let's have a look at the tea house. So come on then, let's go down there. I'm not going to show you exactly what I've done. I'm just going to give you a tantalising glimpse using some reflections and shadows. And that's it. I'm going to show you no more. It's not quite finished yet, but I hope you've got the idea. So hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll give you the full video of exactly what I've done to the tea house, and I hope you enjoy it. So there we are then. So until next time, have a good one, and hopefully on the next video I'll be showing you the full version of exactly what I've done to the tea house, and of course the water feature.